Model, 2017 Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 1.6 Cdti non-runner spares repairs donor export. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 101,232. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 pse6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: the engine has been removed and is in the back of the van. No idea what's wrong with it. Few bits are missing, ideal donor breaker, or whatever you wanna do with it, grin. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,375 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.